Installation of decorative flake and quartz flooring is demanding. You need a long working time, fast cure, and a great chemical resistance. But traditional grout and topcoat options present challenges that can get in the way. Introducing Accelera One, a revolutionary new coating technology created by Sherwin-Williams high-performance flooring. Accelera One is next-gen coating technology, with chemistry different from anything else on the market today. Accelera One offers everything you need in an ultra-high solids clear grout and topcoat, including an optimal balance of fast cure and long working time to give you that competitive edge. Accelera One offers significant advantages over traditional clear grout coat and topcoat products, and unparalleled resistance to commonly used chemicals and sterilants. It provides optimal protection for biopharma, life science, and healthcare facility flooring. Discover 8 standard flooring systems featuring Accelera One clear grout and topcoats. Or ask your Sherwin-Williams representative about using Accelera One on other Sherwin-Williams Deco Flake and Deco Quartz flooring systems. Accelera One clear grout and topcoat. There's nothing else like it. Contact your Sherwin-Williams representative or email swflooring@sherwin.com to learn more about the benefits of Accelera One.